In this video, you're going to learn how to add any image from your media library to any page on your website. Scrolling up here, you can see that we're working off of a standard homepage template, and we just want to be able to add or change any image icon from an image that's currently in our media library. So the first step is to simply hover over whichever image you would like to change, and you're going to want to click on the image styling icon on the menu bar that appears over the image. After clicking on that menu bar, you will be able to scroll down to the media options on the right-hand side of the screen, and we want to click within this image box. After clicking in that image box, you will be brought to your media library for all of your images, and you can select whichever image you would like to replace that previous image. For example, we could select this woman on a computer and go ahead and press select. Now, if you don't see that image box, just make sure that you are hovered over the image icon within media options, and then you will be able to click within that box and change the image.